Hey guys, Backcountry Hiker here. I've just received a package in the mail. This is my brand new Xmid Pro 2 tent. I've just picked this up off the doorstep and it feels like I've got an empty box. But that's because the tent is so light. So let's open this up, we'll have a look, and we'll check out this tent. Okay, wow, let's cut this open carefully. Make sure I don't cut into the material itself. So we have got, there we go, most important feature, brand new Durston sticker. Yeah, you buy that, comes with a free tent. Right, I got mine, came with the pegs, so we've got the little peg bag here. Open this up, have a look. Nice lightweight bag as well that the pegs are in. What pegs have we got here? Alright, yep, nice V-stakes, 6 of those, nice and light, pretty good. Extra cordage there for the tie outs, I guess. Tent itself, open this one up. Alright, so that is nice and light. We have the Xmid Pro. And this one here, I've just got some scales, so we'll give that away, is, now I work in grams, being a Kiwi, not ounces, so you might have to translate this yourself, but 584 grams. With the tie-outs, pegs and peg bag, we have 655 grams total weight. Now that is a super light tent. Cool, alright. Right, I'm going to take this out onto the lawn, pitch it up, and then give you a quick rundown on what she's like. Okay, let's start putting this thing up and see how it looks. Right, that's my first attempt at pitching the Xmid Pro 2. Not quite as taut as I'd like that top peak to be, but still pretty good. Let's go and have a look. Right, so nice and light. Open the zipper with one hand. Gonna roll this up. And we have this little magnetic pull. So looking inside, this does look not as wide as the 2P, the original that I've got. Might be because that floor needs to be stretched out a little bit, but going inside, definitely do 2 of you at a squeeze. Right, once inside the tent, it seems nice and roomy. Lots of room in the vestibules to have your gear if there's 2 of you. And I mean, in reality, all you need in here is your mattress, your sleeping bag, your pillow if you've got one, and I mean that's pretty much it. You're only in here to sleep generally, or maybe get out of the elements, and you've got all your stuff that you can just leave out in that vestibule there. Obviously a lot lighter, being Dyneema fabric, and a lot more sort of see-through, but in reality when you're out in the middle of nowhere it doesn't really matter, does it? Perfect for a lightweight tent. There's no pockets, as people have already mentioned, on the inside. Again, I don't think that's that important. But yeah, look, I'm gonna have to go out and give this a field trip at some stage soon. We're just in New Zealand winter at the moment. I will take it on my next trip, and if I have to use it, I'll use it, but otherwise, I mean, I carry a tent regardless. But yeah, seems perfect to me. Right, thanks for watching this one, and hopefully you see it in another video of mine out on the field at some stage soon. Cheers.